What's up guys, John from McNeil.com here, and I'm super excited to share this video with you guys today because today I'm actually going to be showing you a system that generates between $100 to $7,000 per day. That's right guys, my buddy Devon Brown has created a system, a marketing system that is generating between $100 to $7,000 a day. So without further ado, I'm gonna have Devon come in here and show you this system. Guys, you're gonna love it. I'll see you in a second. Take it away, Devon.
Hey everybody, what's up? Devon Brown here. Thank you for taking the time to join me on this quick 4-minute demonstration of how I pocket between $102 and $6,894 per day on 97% autopilot. What I have to show you is actually really simple, so it shouldn't take more than about 4 minutes or so to explain how this works. So let's just jump on into it. Now, real quick, before I show you how this works, allow me to show you that this works by logging in live and showing you my daily bank deposit notifications in my email. Two quick things. Number one, as it says right here, this is not a guarantee of income. Number two, if you see my picture in the lower right hand corner and it blocks any of the verbiage or anything, just know that I'll talk about it and I'll just you won't miss anything. I just don't know how to fix it because I'm not very technical, which is awesome because you don't have to be technical with this system. So let's log into my email and show you. Okay, so you guys can see here, these are my daily bank deposits, my daily settlement report. Let's scroll all the way up to the top so you guys can see that this is live. And so you can see here that on the 24th, today is the 25th. So on the 24th, I made $507 in a day. And then the day before that, I made $2,144 in a day. The day before that, I made $375 in a day. The day before that, my deposit was for $2,248 in a day. The day before that, it was $477. And you can look, you guys can see these are each day, right? The 24th, 23rd, 22nd, 21st, 20th, 19th, 18th, right? We can keep scrolling down. We can scroll down back, right? You can see here, what did we get? $485 in a day, $655 in a day, $240 in a day, $3,274 in a day, $3,715 in a day, $1,990. This is a pretty good week. Apparently, this week was like all 4-figure days in a row. That doesn't always happen, but that's actually pretty good. $800 in a day. We can keep going back. $400, $1,300. You guys get the point. And by the way, these are just the money that comes directly in. This doesn't include my PayPal. If I go over to my PayPal, you guys can see that what I do is, I'll explain this later, but the way the system works, you can actually make money if you're willing to just do some really simple stuff like 15 minutes a day. I get this is how I get these PayPal deposits with the system. So like the system works on 97% autopilot, but then I spend about 15 minutes a day doing some simple stuff with the system, and that's what allows me to get these simple little PayPal deposits in regularly, which is awesome. I mean, look at this. Just all these little, what we call micro payments coming in on a regular basis, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, all the way up to $98 of these little micro payments coming directly into my PayPal. And you can see all the dates. This just happens back to back to back to back to back to back to back. So let me explain. Oh, and this is one more. You guys can see I took the screenshot. This is one day here in March. You can see again, for my company, easiest system ever. This is coming to me, $6,894 in a day. So I think you get the idea that this actually does work. So here's how I made the money in 3 simple steps. Number one, I got targeted traffic. It took me literally 2 minutes to order. I was just like, I want 500 visitors, and I clicked a button and I got 500 visitors. And I send those visitors to a page that builds my email list, and I'm going to map this out for you. And then here's the kicker. The first 2 steps are easy. You probably have heard of this stuff before. But here's the kicker. What I've set up is I've set up a sequence that follows up with people for an entire year, offering them digital products, different digital products that make me money. And again, this happens for an entire year. So here's how this looks. So we start off with traffic, right? Each one of these people cost me about $1 to come to my site, and I send these people to a page that looks something like this. This is not the page I use. This is just some sample page I found online. But I send the people to a page that looks like this, and I'm like, hey, are you really interested in making money online? If so, give me your email. And what happens is about 20% or so of the people will give me their email and end up in my autoresponder. And so what happened when I first started doing this was I would get the people, and about 20% of them would get on my email, and then I had about a week's worth of follow-up messages that would go out automatically. right? And if you don't know what an autoresponder is, it's just a thingy that automatically sends emails for people so that you don't have to do it by hand. That's a gross oversimplification. And so anyway, so the people would get on my list, and then I would send them over here to this sales funnel, right? This product that they might be interested in, and I know that they're probably interested in it because they said they were interested in making money online, right? So when I first started, I would do this, and honestly, not a lot of people would buy, right? They just wouldn't. So what I did, they didn't buy what I was selling, so I added another funnel. I said, you know what? Let me make a product that actually pays me residual income month after month after month after month. So I created this little, and don't worry, you don't have to create any of this stuff. I'm just showing you how it works, so just bear with me. So I created this little funnel, and what I did was I added some more automatic follow-up messages, right? And if I didn't want to write them myself, I would pay someone anywhere from $25 to $50 to write them for me. Again, don't worry about doing any of this stuff. I'm just explaining to you how it works. And so what would happen was somebody would get on my email list here, and they would automatically, for the first week, they would hear about this offer, and then for the second week, they would hear about this offer, right? And if they bought anything, I would make money. But what I then did was I added another funnel. I said, you know what? I want to make big dollar commissions. I want to make hundreds of dollars or more in one fell swoop. So I said, you know what? Dear Mr. Autoresponder, after you send people to this page, and then after you send people to this funnel, after you promote this funnel for a week, and after you promote this funnel for a week, let's promote this funnel here, this product here, whatever we're selling here, for a week, right? And so I added more automatic follow-up messages so that all this stuff is being promoted automatically, and I don't have to do it by hand. That's why I say the system is 97% autopilot. And then what I did was I said, you know what? Some people might not be able to buy the big ticket stuff, so what if I have a smaller ticket funnel that I can make more $7, $8, $9, $10 sales? Because that's just, awesome, easy money. And so I added another funnel, and I added some more follow-up messages in my autoresponder. So when somebody first gets on their list, they would see this for a week, and then they would see this one for a week, and then they would get the next one. And again, all this is happening while I'm sleeping, while I'm at the movies with my friends, while I'm out dancing and being sexy, or whatever the heck it is I do. And so what happened was, I kept adding to this process for about 3 years. It took me about 3 years and $38,000 to build everything out. And eventually, I had follow-up emails that were automatically promoting different products for an entire year. And once everything was built out, all I had to do was just add traffic whenever I wanted to, which, like I said, takes 2 minutes. So if I ever want traffic, I just click a little button, it takes 2 minutes, and I get the traffic to this entire system. And so, like I said, it took me about 3 years and $38,000 to build this whole thing out. And the result, when I finished building it, was that I had this. This is the system that is responsible for those deposits that you saw at the beginning of this video. So here's how this works. All I do is I get traffic, which takes 2 minutes, and I send it to a page, and of those who are interested, about 20% of those people, maybe like only these gray people, will funnel down into my autoresponder. But then here's the kicker. This autoresponder, my automatic email sender thingy, is set up to follow up with these people for an entire year. It sends them this offer, and then 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 it sends them this offer. And all of this happens, like I said, on autopilot, and each one of these is a different stream of income, right? So this creates multiple streams of income for me, which is super awesome. And so when all was said and done, I had a system that was making me between $100 and $7,000 in commissions every day, even while I slept. Again, I'm not promising that you're going to make that much every day, and you're definitely not going to make that overnight, but I'm just showing you guys the system. And so I hope that makes sense. And so here's the deal, and here's how this relates to you. You see, I've set this exact system up for a few people who are now my business partners. And let me just share with you what they have to say about the system. We're all part of a private Facebook group, and just let me show you some of the stuff they post. This is David. David says, wow, literally started traffic yesterday and already had a sale this morning. You can see I'm the group admin here. Yes, this is actually my group. This is Gary. Gary says, well, we are halfway through the month and already have 18 sales, rocking and rolling. Stay awesome. This is Daniel. Daniel says, Danny Z here, 70 opt-ins. He added 70 people to his list and already made 5 sales. This is Charlie says, hey, everyone, just made another commission. This is John. John says, I joined on 12/5 and was notified of my first sale on 12/17. So excited. So what's that, 12 days? And he made his first sale. Glenn says 4 new sales today, 4 sales in one day. That's not too bad. This is Mark. Mark says another sale with the system. He actually copied his commission notification and sent it to us. This is David. David says this is the most real legit team system out there. Tara, who's one of our staff, called me last night after work hours to talk me through my issues. They really go above and beyond, and I'm so happy I joined these group of people. You guys are the best. Again, these are all in our private Facebook group, which hopefully you'll end up being part of. Trev said, just made my first sale after about 2 weeks. So that's not bad, right? Some people are able to make a sale their first week. Some people make sales in their first 2 weeks. Some people it takes 3 weeks. It's never actually taken anybody more than a month to make their first sale. At the time of this recording, we have a 100% success rate with regard to people adding people to the list and making their first sale within 30 days or less. It's amazing. This is Orlando. Check out the dates here. So Orlando says, just made my first sale yesterday. Opt-in started a few days ago, and they are still coming. Very happy. Then he posted a little bit later. He says, early this morning, 2 more sales. Awesome. And then 2 days after that, he posts, oh yeah, here we go again. Earlier today, I got 2 more sales. Yeah. This is Jovi. Jovi says, I don't even touch my computer for a few days because of the busy schedule. I wake up this morning, I get another 2 sales. And in case you're thinking to yourself, Devon, that's not very good English. You're right, it's not. And this is the great thing about the system is that you don't have English, as long as you speak it good enough to function, like it's not necessary for you to even to be your first language. It's that easy. This system is that easy. With the mommy, I always mess this guy's name up. Sorry. Says, I got paid. Thank you, Devon Brown and staff, for promptly paying me my earnings. This is Margaret. Margaret says, sales 4 in a row, and I just got started. That's awesome. David says, yes, another new sale. This is great, and it did it all for me. Thank you all. He says, another is the key word there. This is David again. Boom, 3 more sales. I was in a fun mood, so we posted a little Austin Powers. Samuel says, got a sale now, just now, 12 subscribers so far. Hell yes. This is Brad. Brad says 2 more sales today. This is Patricia. Patricia says, hi guys, 9:34 p.m. London time. Just made another sale. Fantastic. This is Mark. Mark said, wow, made another sale today. Let's go. Great system. This is Mutham Mami again. He says, I'm sorry, I'm messing up his name. I apologize. My bad. He says, got paid again. Thank you, Devon Brown and staff. Pete, 4 sales in the last 2 days. Awesome. Lisa, I would like to say, wow, we've made another sale. Thanks, Devon and the team. This is Linus. Again, guys, these are case studies. These are all true. They're 100% legit, but they're not a guarantee of any particular income. I gotta say that for legal purposes. Linus actually took screenshots of his commission notifications over his phone and posted them in the Facebook group. Don says, hi, I just joined about a week ago and have made my first sale. Here's to many more. All right, so now that you guys see what this is all about and how this works and this is working for others, I've got a question for you. Would you like to partner with me? Would you like to partner with me? That's supposed to say me. I am notorious for type. If you ever see me do a typo, that's my bad. Would you like to partner with me and have me set this entire system up for you? The way it works is I'll do all the work and then we'll split the commissions 50-50, right? So when I mean partnership, I mean actual partnership. So here's how it works. I'll set everything up. I'll do all the techie stuff, all the websites, all the autoresponders, all the sales funnels, all that crazy ass stuff you guys saw. Right? I'll send the traffic. You just tell me how much you want sent to your system based on your budget, and I'll even send it for you. And I'll handle all of the product delivery, the payment processing, the customer support, all of that stuff, all of the headaches that keep people from being successful or even getting started. I'll take care of all of that stuff. I'll do all the hard work. All right? So I'll do all the hard work and then we'll split the sales and then I'll deposit your commissions into your PayPal on the 1st and the 15th of every month. So we'll truly be partners. So the more money I deposit into your PayPal, the more money I make. So selfishly, I want you to win. Selfishly, I want, because if I stick thousands of dollars in your PayPal account, that means I'm doing well. So high five. All right. So here's what to do next. Below this video, you should see a button that will take you to a page that will allow you to apply for partnership. Now, just to be clear, partnership is not free. So if you're looking for something free, I'm sorry, that's not this, all right? But if you like what you saw in this short video, sorry if it was a little longer than 4 minutes, if you like what you saw and you're ready to have me implement everything you need to start getting results potentially as soon as this week, and go ahead and click the button below and follow the instructions on the next page. And then, yeah, hopefully we'll be partners and I'll see you in the Facebook group and all that other fun stuff. So, yeah, thanks for your time. Thanks for hanging out with me. Go ahead and click the button below and then I'll see you on the next page and it'll tell you what to do and how to apply so that we can be partners. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm not gonna keep you long because I know that this video is already running a little long. So I hope you guys are excited about this system. It's a phenomenal system. So if you would like to get started, you can go ahead and go into the description. There will be a link below. You can actually get to the application and go ahead and complete that application. If you have any questions, I'll actually leave my email across the screen here so that you can email me with any questions, or you can just leave it in the comment section below, guys. So get started with this system. It's phenomenal. All right, guys, peace. Hope to see you.